Made a beginner program to awaken dormant muscles if you've been sedentary for a very long time. This is a gentle way to get you going if you're starting from scratch. We'll be working out 3 days a week, and this is day 1. We'll be covering our upper body. You'll notice that we'll be focusing a lot on our shoulder area. This is a spot that really tends to get weak and tight over time. Now you're going to do 10 repetitions per move, rest for 30 seconds, and then repeat one more time. Now 3 days a week means that you can work out every other day. So you can do day 1, rest, day 2, rest, day 3, rest, and then repeat the cycle. But always listen to your body. These exercises are gentle enough to be done daily. But consistency is always the key. It's always best to do less for a long period of time than to do more sporadically. Day 2 is coming up right after this video. If it's not there, you're on the wrong page. Follow Justin Agustin. And of course, this program is featured on the Justin Agustin Fitness app. Day 2 of awakening dormant muscles if you've been sedentary for a very long time. If you missed day 1, it's on my page right before this video. Today we're focusing on activating our lower body. We're starting from a seated position, but then we're going to move on to some standing exercises. We're focusing mostly on our hips, hip flexors, glutes, and all the important muscles that are involved in standing stamina as well as walking stamina. These are really important, especially if you've been sedentary for a very long time. We're doing 10 repetitions, resting for 30 seconds, and then repeating one more time. Now the last one is optional. It really depends on your knee strength. Start with the other exercises and work your way to here. Day 3 is right after this. Day 3 out of 3 of awakening dormant muscles. This is my beginner program to get you started if you haven't exercised in a long time. If you missed the other days, they're on my page right before this. Today we're focusing on strength for our core, arms, and we're also going to focus on light cardio. Your heart is a muscle and it's really important that we keep it strong and healthy too. For the cardio routine, I like to time it. Do 30 to 60 seconds, rest for 30 seconds, and repeat. And those are the 3 days. Keep repeating the cycle until you're strong enough to move up.